Yes, thank you, Katie. So, today in Sheepy Land, we are seeing some thunderstorms that could be a supercell. We are still looking into it, but there's a very high chance of an EF thunderstorm or EF5 thunderstorm to form. Due to the high humidity, the highways are going to be full with people trying to evacuate. If you are in the areas of Sheepy Land, NY, Sheepy Land, Costa Rica, and Sheepy Land, Paramandaya, you are in the area of an EF4 to an EF5 tornado warning. An EF4 and an EF5 tornado are the deadliest tornadoes in the entire world. If I were you, I would seek shelter immediately. And if you are also new to this, you would be in for a fun ride because they are pretty bad. So this is what to do if you are in a tornado. First, if you have just came into your house, do not go near any of the corners with windows. Instead, go to the middle of the house if you do not have a basement, without any wall with walls that are surrounding you. If you do not have a basement, another place is a bathroom, a safety room, which is, let's say, a pantry or one of those, or a basement if you do have one. The basement is more likely for you to survive because it is the lowest ground. Now you might be thinking, why not a garage? Well, the debris might fly into the windows of the garage, or you could be flooded out by the rain. These are what to do if you are stuck in a tornado. If you do not have a basement, go to the center of the house, or if you have a safe room, go in there. Stay there until you can ride out the storm. Do not go near any windows. Debris might fly into the window and break it. And then when you go there, it would just be glass everywhere. The window might break due to the tornado or the wind speed. EF4 tornadoes might get up to 102 miles per hour, which is the max for just EF4. If you are told to evacuate, do so, but do it before the storm. So when the storm hits, you have a safe place. If you are on the road when there's a tornado coming, stop what you're doing, find a ditch, go completely off the road, and go into the ditch and cover your head. Lie down on your knees. If you decide to stay in your car, make sure the engine is running so airbags will deploy, and make sure your seatbelt is on. If you decide to stay under an overpass, that is a bad idea. Debris go really fast through the overpass due to the high winds. You might be unlucky to be in one of those debris. If you decide to stay on top, that is even worse. More of the debris come on the top, so they can push your car, even break a window. You are not safe on a highway. If you are near the storm, let's say 20 meters away, if you are that close to the storm, you have no chance of escaping. That's why you should always leave before the storm starts. If you ever are stuck in a tornado, stay in your car. If you do not have a car, go to the center or the eye. You will be the luckiest person if you are stuck in a tornado. You have to go to the eye of the center because that is one of the most calm. Now let's check out the outside. So this is the outside of the weather channel. Of course we have a pool because just in case it gets a little hot. As you can see, there are wall clouds. You can see the little bumps. And you could see over here that the trees are not moving at all. Now let's check on the radar. So as you can see on the northern west side, you can see that there is very hard rain, maybe even sights of hail. And right here, right there, where the dark red is, that is a supercell. Supercells make the strongest tornadoes ever. And also we have some debris. And these black dots are signs of regular tornadoes. But these are basketball size hail. And then as you can see, the water gets darker as we move on due to the clouds. And this is the high chances of tornadoes. Outside of the supercell, unlikely, little likely, but right here is very likely, even though it's not even near the supercell. This is the supercell and it's outside the supercell. Very likely. And inside the supercell will be the deadliest F5. See, all this light red and dark red is the funnel. The orange and the yellow and the dark green, that's the actual storm. And this is all of Sheepy Land. So it might take up half of it. No joke. And let's get back to the final cast. So, as you can see, we are in a tornado warning right now for the followings of Sheepy Land, New York, and other participants, I think. And now we are hearing the sirens. The sirens are going off, which means take cover immediately. If you bring your TV with you, or bring a radio which is connected to the weather channel. If you are not able to bring a radio, seek shelter immediately. Just forget all your stuff. Grab your essentials, grab 3 days of food, and get out of there. Go to your basement, go to your safe spot. And Jerry, back to you. Run for your lives. But on to our next story.